Hi guys, it's Alima. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're not. So today's video is going to be it's going to be a gratis haul. I don't have a lot, but I only have 2 bags, but I have some exciting stuff that I want to show you guys and put away and start playing with. Well, I did start playing with some of it, but yeah, so if you want to see what I got, then please keep watching. Alright, so before we get into this gratis haul, don't forget to subscribe if you're not, because a lot of people who watch my videos are not subscribed. Alright, so first thing in here I see is from Dior. It's the Lip Glow Color Reviver Balm, and I've worn this already. It is, the lip glow is really like like a lip balm that's also a lip treatment. But they came up with more iridescent shades, so it has like a shift to it. So it has a bit of pink and purple glitter. See that? Yeah. So I got that. They came up with like 4 other colors, 4 or 5 other colors, but this is one I got. I have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I got a mini one. It was supposed to be in this package, but I guess they took it out to scribe and didn't put it back in. Then I have a Too Faced Hangover X Primer. It's a nourishing primer that has coconut water in it. I haven't tried it. Well, it's a hydrating primer. I guess it's nourishing also. I haven't tried it because I'm more oily, but I'm also into hydrating my skin because I'm oily to stop the production of oil, so maybe I'll give that a try. Then I have the Moroccan Oil Body Shower Milk Hydrating Body Wash, Flirt Orange. I think I can't open it sealed, but it smells really good because I got like trained in like the break room. So that's what that looks like. I have a hair product from Ouai Volume Spray, like a push-up bra for your hair. Jeanette, there's stuff floating in here. I don't know about that. That looks a little sus. But it adds volume to fine flat hair. My hair is not flat. I don't know about Ouai products and my hair type, but we're gonna see. What do you do? What's your problem? Then I have a Tarte Flirt mini palette. It's one of the palettes that they have for Beauty on the Fly. And they smell like chocolate now, but this is really cute for travel. Then I have the Stila Glitter and Glow Highlighter. This is new. I was wearing this in my last, this is one of the things I was wearing in my last Instagram photo, but it's probably at this point won't be my last Instagram photo, but you know, when I was wearing unicorn makeup. And I also did post on Snapchat and Instagram that I was putting these on. This and the Dior, and the next product I'm going to show you, which is from Cover FX. It's a shimmer veil in the shade Amethyst. So pretty. They said they wanted unicorn, I gave them unicorn. It reminds me of the Stila liquid eyeshadows, the glitter and glow. Because you see the glitter in this more when you dab it out, as with the Stila, but the texture just feels slightly thicker than the Stila, but it ends up giving you the same effect. Another one of these. And I have another sleeping mask from Glow Recipe. I'm just checking to make sure my camera didn't die yet, so I keep looking over here because the battery is low. That scared the crap out of me. Alright, so I have a Belif Aqua Balm Sheet Mask. That's interesting. It's like in 2 compartments. So like this is the actual mask and this is the liquid. interesting. Then from Clinique, I got the Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. So they redid this one. It was originally on the line, but they made it more long lasting, so 72 hours worth of hydration. Then I have the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, which was supposed to be in one of those packets that I got. But yeah, it's white, so you can't really see it. Then I got another one. Who's texting me? Then I have the Guerlain the Blurring Active Base. It's a smoothing blurring effect pore refiner. This is interesting because it is smoothing, but it's not as thick as some of other pore blurring primers that are more silicone based. Also, that's what that looks like. Yeah. 7 minutes in. So next thing in here I got from Fenty Beauty, and it is the Mattemoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick in the shade One of the Boys. I could have used this for my swatch video. I probably could have wore this with this look as well, since everything's very purple. So I wore this lip product, Dior lip product, on top of a lipstick from Maybelline. I have this card from Kat Von D about the new studded cream lipsticks that she came out with. So she reformulated the older ones, and then I got a band. It's like a bracelet. Got the studded cream lipstick in Lolita. And we all know how Lolita looks like. I also got a mini version in the shade Mercier. Ooh, it's like a dark burgundy, almost dark cranberry color with some red glitter in it. That's pretty. And then I got a Laura Mercier Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick in the shade Vibe. This is newer. I did wear this already, so I was like excited. So that's right here. Then I have a Clinique Fresh Pressed Daily Booster with pure vitamin C. And as soon as you open this, you have to use it within a week. So I'm interested in trying that because vitamin C is good for brightening your skin, and I definitely need that. Then I have 3 more products in this bag. I have a Clinique Beyond Perfecting Super Concealer in Deep 24. I have a Sephora Contour Eye Pencil, waterproof. Still has the thing on it. They probably couldn't be bothered. I hate peeling these things. And this is in the shade 30 Eccentric Diva. And then I have the Sephora Crayon Khol in the shade Infinite Beige. It's like a nude color. So that's all that was in my Gratis. But also things that I got from Gratis that were not in this bag, I got from the training that we had. We had a master class with the Kat Von D collective, and I got some stuff in Gratis because we won this like almost a year ago, and we just got the training. So it's a Kat Von D Alchemist holographic palette. Now I didn't originally buy this when this came out because I bought the Anastasia Moon Child palette first, but I'm glad I got this. And then I got the Kat Von D setting powder, the translucent setting powder. Then we also got another one of the cream lipsticks in Whiteout. So that's that white color, which is also good for using on your eyes apparently. That's one of the things we learned from that training. We also saw some new products that we're not allowed to talk about. And I got another Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper. That I'm gonna show you guys that I did not get in Gratis. What I bought is the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. It's like something similar to the Nicole Guerlain palette, where like some managers were saying we weren't allowed to buy, and some were saying we were. So that's what that looks like. I think I'm gonna review it. I'll let you guys know. Yeah, so that's it for this Gratis haul. If there's anything you guys want me to review next, anything you want me to use, anything like that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.